Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to search for movies in Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to search for movies, you just simply have to open your Amazon Prime Video application, and then you will get to see the search button at the bottom right corner, and from there just simply tap into the search bar and search for anything that you would like to see into Amazon. Then after that, tap into this filter option at here, and then you will get the option of content type into here. Just simply tap into that and select for movies, and then your search will show you all the movies that is related to your keyword. By following these very easy steps, you can easily search movies into Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.